Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. This video channel can be found at smarturl.it/pass actuarial exams. Here are links to the online seminars and study manuals for exams PFM, IFM, and LTAM that I offer. I direct the Actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help ISU Actuary. Here's a problem for today. 3 fair dice are rolled and x is the smallest number of the 3 values resulting. If more than one value is the smallest one, we'll still use that value. Find probability that x is equal to 3. The probability that x is equal to 3 is the same as the probability that all 3 dice show a 3 or more, and at least one shows a 3. This means that the event of all 3 showing at least 3 happened, but the event of all 3 of them showing at least a 4 did not happen. And this probability is 2/3 because if all 3 show 2/3 cubed, and because for one of them the probability of showing 3, 4, 5, or 6 is 2/3. That's 4 out of 6, which is 2/3. And there are 3 independent dice, so to get all 3 showing one of those numbers, 3, 4, 5, or 6, the probability of that happening is 2/3 times 2/3 times 2/3, so 2/3 cubed. But the event where all 3 show 4, 5, or 6 did not happen, because one of them, at least one, had to show a 3. And the event where all 3 show 4, 5, or 6 has a probability of 3/6, or 1/2, and the probability of this happening 3 times is 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2, so 1/2 cubed. And this event didn't happen. And the probability we're looking for is the difference of the two, because the second event, all 3 showing 4, 5, or 6, is a subset of the first. All 3 show 3, 4, 5, or 6. So this is equal to 8/27 minus 1/8, which is the common denominator is 216, so this is 64/216 minus 27/216, and that's 37/216, and that's answer B. Please remember, this is copyrighted material. The problem is created by me, and the solution is mine. So it's copyrighted by me, created in 2005. All rights reserved. Reproduction in whole or in part without express written permission from the author is strictly prohibited.